Siddhartha Public School, VISMAYA 2K23 open.
Appreciate the way that the school has taken over this issue.
What is SPS doing as far as climatic change? It is nothing but the green campus out here. The trees which are laid out here, which you see out here, are more than 50 to 60 years old.
Don't pressurize the children to achieve something. Certainly they'll achieve, they'll do well. Just give them space. Don't steal the happiness of their childhood by your expectations of the children.
It kick-started in the year of 1988 as Siddhartha Residential School, and later in 2015 we shifted to CBSE school, and almost we are very proud to see that we are completing. This is the 10th year. We are at the completion of 10th year. The Almighty's boundless blessings were on us.
I was born to be free.